How to download Soundpad in PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download Soundpad on your PC. So first things, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for Soundpad download just like this. So once you tap on this first link over here, which is the official Soundpad website, just tap on this download button over here. You can also watch a demo and it will redirect you to this page. Once you're inside here, you simply have to choose between 32-bit or 64-bit. If your Windows is any one of these, just select accordingly. So I'll just select 64-bit. Once you successfully download it, just tap on this or click on this file to simply run the file and just wait for a few seconds and simply click on next and follow the on-screen instruction and also accept the license terms and conditions. So once you're satisfied with the directory, just click on install and you just have to wait for a few seconds until it successfully installs the Soundpad application on your device. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.